My name is Sunil Valavalkar. I am one of the trustees of Swatantr Samagram. 11 years during that time, he and other freedom fighters, how they fought the death and came out with it is what's shown in this drama. Whole idea of staging this drama and showing the children is for them to know the value of independence. How difficult it was. It's more than 90 years we spent, freedom fighters spent to get this independence to us. And 90 years is not a small time. Lakhs and lakhs freedom fighters have lost their life. Their families were totally destroyed. Still, they fought for us and we got the independence. The Swatantra Veer Savarkar Rashtriya Smarak is interested to show this to most of the students and the youngsters, today's youngsters, for them to know the value of the freedom and them to take this lovely India ahead in the world.
Where will this drama be staged?
This drama would be staged from 8th of July throughout Goa. All the artists are very popular from the Marathi serials and cinema. All of them are young because Savarkar was hardly about 21 years old, 21, 22 years old when he was imprisoned at cellular jail. So all this thing, I mean, artists are in a different get-up, but all young artists are there in the range of 28 to around 35, 40. 8th of July, Ravindra Bhavan, Sakri. 9th of July, Rajiv Gandhi Center at Ponda.
Okay.
10th is Ravindra Bhavan Vasco. 11th is Ravindra Bhavan Kursade. 13th is Ravindra Bhavan Madgaon. And 15th, Mapsa Hanuman Theatre, Hanuman Natyagram Mapsa.